Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Back at it again. Got another job for a customer. Engine swap. 2008 Jeep Commander. Man, this lady here bossed up. Yeah, I'm midway through the job though. It's in a Ford engine afloat. That's how we get down here, man. Take everything back apart. What it's been 4 hours now? Started at 12. About 4 hours. Put everything back together. Be done soon, yeah. So enjoy the rest of the weekend. Transmission transfer case. Standby. Yes, sir. Just a side job. That's it.